Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Today we are going to be doing braids on my longtime client, and we are doing something a little bit different. He always does 4 braids, usually with like a little mix up of something in the center of the 2 braids in the center. And so today I was kind of flipping around and I seen this style that I wanted to try, and this client is always down to try something cool. So we showed him the style and he loved it and he wanted to try it. So we went ahead and started on the style. We did give him a haircut before. I usually will do a taper or something on a braid client unless they're getting an undercut and just doing braids on the top. So today we did a taper. We cleaned up his beard and the whole 9 yards. So the first thing that I like to do is set the foundation of the braids, which would be me parting where I'm gonna be braiding. So typically I'll do one side and then do the other. So that's what I've done here. I kind of started the braids, parted them, molded the hair, and then I began braiding. So here I'm going to show you in slow motion. First I start with one tiny section, and then I will add another section, and then I will create 3 parts with that section. And then I'm going to begin braiding by taking the right side, going underneath, and then going left side, adding some hair, going underneath. So basically that's how you do a braid. Just taking right side, underneath, middle, left side, underneath, middle. And then when you're adding hair, you have to make sure you're taking small enough sections where you can pull it tight, and it's really just a matter of technique. So how you're holding your hands, as you can see, I have all the hair in one hand at one time, and then I'll move it all over to the other side, use my other hand to grab my section, put it inside the section, and then braid underneath. So, and then I'm also cleaning up the sections as I'm putting them inside of the braid. So I'm trying to grasp the perfect amount of hair, section it really nice and neatly, and then pulling it in each time. So that's really what takes time. I could do this quicker, but to be honest with you, I slowed down a lot over time because I really wanted to get that technique down, make sure that I could see the stitches really nicely and pulling the hair really tight. So at the end, I'm not stuffing a bunch of hair underneath the braid. I want to actually just have everything situated where all I'm going to have to do is kind of slick it down a little bit, maybe the little flyaways, and then just add the mousse and add my product to finish off the style. I mentioned it in my last video, my nails actually help. I do wear longer nails. I did get my nails in a stiletto shape, and it just really helps me without having to use like a comb or whatever. Some people do it, some people don't. It's really a preference, honestly. It just helps me. People always ask me, how do you braid with your nails? And I'm like, I can't braid without my nails. I've tried and I don't like it. Even with shorter nails, I just feel like I always need to have something that's helping me. One thing you want to make sure is that you're not getting lazy towards the nape of the neck. You really want to make sure to get all those hairs in there. As you can see, I'm kind of like pulling his skin a little bit. It's not hurting him, but you can see that it's being braided tightly. So here's the finished product. Let me know what you guys think. I just really love what I do, and I want to be able to help some of the newbies coming in trying to learn braids or technique or anything like that about the industry. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.